It's 6:47 in the morning. The alarm goes off, but you're already awake. You haven't slept in hours. Your bank account has $11 in it. Rent is due this week. At the same moment, someone else wakes up on the other side of the city. No alarm. They're not thinking about what to wear. They're deciding which continent to fly to. Both of them live in the same country. Both of them are living the same morning, but on completely different planets. This video will show you every single step between those two people, and you are definitely standing on one of those steps. We're breaking wealth into 6 levels. We start at 0. We end at 1 billion. At every level, we ask the same 4 questions. What does life look like? What's the biggest risk? What's the most common mistake people make? And what's the real path to the next level? Let's begin. Level 1. You open your account. The number is red. This isn't just debt. This is proof that you owe the system. The average American enters this level through student loans, medical bills, or credit card debt. Your paycheck arrives, and it's gone immediately. Nothing left. Actually, less than nothing. At this level, people don't wait for payday because of money. They wait to avoid late fees. The real danger is hiding right here. If anything goes wrong, the car breaks down, a tooth hurts, you lose your job, the system pushes you further down because there's no buffer, 0 buffer. The most common mistake at this level is taking on more debt, paying off one credit card with another. The only way to the next level is this: stop. Stop taking on new debt. Pay off the smallest debt you have. See a positive number in your account for the first time, even if it's just $1. Level 2. No more negative balance, but no real positive either. This is where most people spend the majority of their lives. Bills are paid, rent is covered, food is on the table. But if you missed a single week of work, everything collapses. 51% of Americans are at this level or below. The deception of this level is that everything seems fine. No debt, no crisis, no visible problem. But no wealth either. Just the cycle. In, out, in, out. The biggest danger here is invisibility. The system holds you in place, but it doesn't move you forward. The most common mistake is trying to cut expenses. Cutting works, but it's extremely slow. The real breakthrough happens on the income side. Either build an additional income source or push for a serious raise at your current job. The goal is simple: end every month with more in your account than the month before. The amount doesn't matter. The direction does. Level 3. For the first time, you have a real buffer. This money won't make you rich, but it will save you. When the car breaks down, you don't reach for your credit card. When your tooth hurts, you don't push it to next month. For the first time in your life, you can absorb small shocks. This is the level most people call comfortable, and most people get stuck here, because comfort stops movement. The danger here? People at this level start spending more. The salary goes up, the luxury goes up, the car gets bigger, the house gets bigger, the vacation gets longer, but net worth stays exactly the same. This trap has a name: lifestyle inflation. The most common mistake is spending this money on consumption. The right move is using this money to buy assets. An asset is something that works for you, not something you pay for and consume. The path to level 4 starts right here. Level 4. The rules of the game change. You're not just saving money anymore. Money is working for you. At this level, people usually own something: an investment account, a small property, a business share, a fund. Every morning you wake up, your account has grown a little more, without doing anything. You have to be at this level to truly understand what that feels like. But this level has its own traps. People here start to think they're rich. A $500,000 net worth puts you in the top 20% in America, but it might not be enough to protect you in a real financial crisis. The most common mistake at this level is status spending. The neighbors are watching. You buy the luxury car. you upgrade the house, and the net worth drops again. The rule of this level: protect and grow what you have. Show nothing. Produce everything. Level 5. $1 million. The number most people dream about. The reality: in America, this puts you in the top 12%. Being a millionaire is no longer rare. The real difference is this: at this level, working stops being mandatory. Working becomes a choice. But be careful. Most millionaires reach this point through 15 or 20 years of savings, smart investing, and controlled spending. And they still run the numbers at night before they sleep. Because at this level, the fear changes. It's no longer, will I run out of money? It becomes, will I lose what I have? The most common mistake at this level is stopping all risk. The system goes into protection mode, but growth stops. The game at this level isn't growth. It's building a system. Level 6. Money is no longer a tool. Money is a system. At this level, people don't wake up in the morning asking, what will I earn today? Their systems earn for them. Companies, investments, properties, funds, tax strategists, asset managers, legal teams. When you reach this level, managing money becomes a profession in itself. It's a team operation. But isn't this level open to everyone? Mathematically, yes. But let's be honest here. The vast majority of people at this level got here through luck, inheritance, or system advantage. A very small number built it from zero, and what they all had in common was this: they accumulated assets, built systems, and waited. 6 levels, same country, same currency, but 6 completely different games. At level 1, the game is called survival. At level 2, breaking the cycle. At level 3, building the buffer. At level 4, buying assets. At level 5, protecting the system. At level 6, expanding the system. And every level has the same biggest trap: getting stuck inside it. Because every level builds its own comfort, and comfort kills the need to move. So, which level are you on? When you answer, don't look at your income. Look at your net worth. Income shows you how much you earn. Net worth shows you which step you're standing on. And if the gap between those two numbers just made you uncomfortable, the next video explains exactly why that is.